Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get ripped jeans on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the jeans area right here. You just need to follow where I go, and then I'm going to show you which jeans we can change the toggle to ripped. Okay, you can choose this jeans. Okay, now the jeans has been applied to my model and I'm going to make it ripped. We can go to the toggle and then we're going to go to the rips, and then you can choose torn or you can choose star. And for example, I'm going to choose torn. Okay, and this is what we have. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to get ripped jeans on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.